The RACO 9739 is a 1/2-inch national pipe thread conduit drain designed for use in non-hazardous locations, specifically at the low points of outdoor rigid conduit installations. This drain provides a means to remove condensation or other liquids that may accumulate inside the conduit, preventing corrosion and potential damage to the wiring. The construction of the RACO 9739 utilizes a durable cast aluminum, which provides resistance to environmental factors typically encountered in outdoor settings. Aluminum offers a good balance of strength, weight, and corrosion resistance, making it a suitable material for this application. The 1/2-inch national pipe threads allow the drain to be easily installed into standard conduit bodies, couplings, or other fittings that have corresponding threads. National pipe thread is a standardized thread type used in North America for connecting and sealing pipes and fittings, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of electrical components. One of the key features of the RACO 9739 is its removable plug. This plug provides access to the interior of the drain, allowing for easy cleaning and maintenance. If debris or sediment accumulates inside the drain, the plug can be removed to flush out the obstruction, ensuring proper drainage. The removable plug also allows for inspection of the drain's interior to check for corrosion or damage. The use of a removable plug simplifies maintenance and extends the lifespan of the drain. The RACO 9739 is specifically designed for use in non-hazardous locations. Hazardous locations are areas where flammable gases, vapors, or dust may be present in sufficient quantities to cause a fire or explosion. Electrical equipment used in hazardous locations must be specially designed and certified to prevent ignition of these materials. Because the RACO 9739 is not designed for hazardous locations, it should only be used in areas where such hazards are not present. The installation process for the RACO 9739 is relatively straightforward. Firstly, identify the low points in the rigid conduit system where condensation or liquids are likely to accumulate. Secondly, ensure that the conduit body, coupling, or fitting at that location has a 1/2-inch national pipe threaded opening. Thirdly, apply a suitable thread sealant or Teflon tape to the threads of the RACO 9739 to ensure a watertight seal. Fourthly, screw the RACO 9739 into the threaded opening, tightening it securely with a wrench. Finally, ensure that the removable plug is properly installed and tightened to prevent leakage. Regular inspection of the RACO 9739 is recommended to ensure proper function. Check for signs of corrosion, damage, or leakage. If any issues are detected, the drain should be repaired or replaced as needed. The removable plug should also be periodically inspected to ensure that it is securely in place and that the threads are not damaged. When selecting a conduit drain, it's important to consider several factors. Firstly, the size of the conduit. The RACO 9739 is designed for use with 1/2-inch national pipe thread conduit systems, but other sizes may be available for different conduit sizes. Secondly, the material of construction. The RACO 9739 is made of cast aluminum, which is suitable for many outdoor applications, but other materials such as stainless steel may be more appropriate for highly corrosive environments. Thirdly, the location of the installation. The RACO 9739 is designed for non-hazardous locations only. If the installation is in a hazardous location, a specially designed and certified drain must be used. Fourthly, the ease of maintenance. The removable plug on the RACO 9739 makes maintenance relatively easy, but other drains may have different features that affect maintenance. The purpose of conduit drains is to prevent the accumulation of moisture within the conduit system. Moisture can enter the conduit through condensation, rain, or other sources. If moisture accumulates, it can cause corrosion of the conduit and wiring, leading to electrical faults and potential safety hazards. By providing a means to drain the moisture, conduit drains help to maintain the integrity and reliability of the electrical system. In addition to the RACO 739. Other manufacturers offer similar conduit drains. These drains may have different features, materials, or price points. When selecting a conduit drain, it's important to compare the available options and choose the one that best meets the specific needs of the installation. Some conduit drains may have a built-in screen or filter to prevent debris from entering the drain. This can be useful in areas where there is a high concentration of dust or other particles in the air. Other drains may have a different type of plug or valve to control the flow of liquid. The choice of drain will depend on the specific requirements of the application and the preferences of the installer. Proper installation and maintenance of conduit drains are essential for ensuring their effectiveness. The drain should be installed at the lowest point in a conduit system to ensure that all moisture is able to drain out. The drain should also be protected from physical damage, such as being struck by vehicles or equipment. Regular inspection and cleaning of the drain will help to prevent clogs and ensure that it continues to function properly. In summary, the RACO 9739 is a 1/2-inch national pipe thread conduit drain with a removable plug, made of cast aluminum, and suitable for non-hazardous locations. It provides an inexpensive and durable solution for draining moisture from outdoor rigid conduit installations. When installing rigid metal conduit, or RMC, in outdoor locations, condensation is a common concern. Temperature fluctuations cause air inside the conduit to condense, forming water droplets. This water can accumulate at low points in the conduit run, leading to corrosion and potential electrical problems. Conduit drains, like the RACO 9739, provide a path for this water to escape, preventing these issues. The 1/2-inch national pipe thread size of the RACO 9739 makes it compatible with standard 1/2-inch threaded conduit fittings. This is a common size for many electrical installations, making the RACO 9739 a versatile option. The cast aluminum construction provides a good balance of durability and corrosion resistance, making it suitable for outdoor environments. Aluminum naturally forms a protective oxide layer that resists corrosion from moisture and other environmental factors. The removable plug is a key feature that allows for easy maintenance and inspection. Over time, debris or sediment can accumulate inside the drain, potentially clogging it. The removable plug provides access to clear out any obstructions and ensure proper drainage. It also allows for visual inspection of the drain interior to check for corrosion or damage. The non-hazardous location rating of the RACO 9739 means it is designed for use in areas where flammable gases, vapors, or dusts are not present in explosive concentrations. In hazardous locations, specialized explosion-proof fittings and equipment are required to prevent ignition of these materials. For typical outdoor conduit installations in residential or commercial settings, a non-hazardous location-rated drain is usually sufficient. The installation process for the RACO 9739 is relatively simple. Firstly, locate the lowest point in the conduit run where water is likely to accumulate. Secondly, ensure the conduit fitting at that point has a 1/2-inch national pipe threaded opening. Conduit bodies or couplings are often used for this purpose. Thirdly, apply a thread sealant or Teflon tape to the threads of the RACO 9739 to create a watertight seal. Fourthly, screw the drain into the threaded opening and tighten it securely with a wrench. Be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the threads. Finally, ensure the removable plug is properly tightened to prevent leakage. Regular inspection and maintenance are important to ensure the continued proper functioning of the conduit drain. Check the drain periodically for any signs of leakage, corrosion, or damage. If any problems are found, repair or replace the drain as needed. Also, periodically remove the plug and clear out any accumulated debris or sediment. In addition to preventing corrosion, conduit drains can also help to prevent the buildup of ice in cold climates. If water accumulates in the conduit and freezes, it can expand and potentially damage the conduit or wiring. A conduit drain allows the water to escape before it has a chance to freeze. When selecting a conduit drain, consider the specific needs of the installation. For example, In areas with high levels of corrosion, a stainless steel drain may be a better choice than an aluminum drain. Also, consider the ease of maintenance and the availability of replacement parts. The RACO 9739 is a readily available and relatively inexpensive option that is suitable for many outdoor conduit installations. Remember to always follow all applicable electrical codes and regulations when installing and maintaining electrical equipment. If you are not comfortable working with electrical systems, consult with a qualified electrician. In conclusion, the RACO 9739 conduit drain provides a simple and effective way to prevent water accumulation in outdoor rigid conduit installations. Its durable construction, removable plug, and non-hazardous location rating make it a suitable choice for a wide range of applications. Proper installation and maintenance will ensure its continued proper functioning and help to protect the electrical system from corrosion and damage. The use of conduit drains, like the RACO 9739, is a best practice for outdoor rigid conduit installations. By preventing the accumulation of water, they help to ensure the long-term reliability and safety of the electrical system.